Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to do the unboxing of Oppo A16 smartphone. This is the latest smartphone by Oppo. So now quickly unbox it. Okay. So here we get this small box, and inside it we get the SIM ejector pin, some reading manuals, and this is the transparent back case. Okay, keep this aside, and guys, here's the phone itself. So you can see the phone. It is in crystal black color. The pearl blue color is also available. Okay, we come to the phone later. Let's see what else we get inside the phone. So here we get the USB type C to type A cable. Keep this aside, and here we get the big charger. And if we talk about its output, so you can see it will give you 5 volt to ampere. Okay, a big disappointment. Okay, it is not a fast charger. So before buying, make sure that it will not fast charge your phone. It is a normal charger. Okay, a big disappointment. Okay, that's all we get in the box. Keep this aside and come to the font. So you can see is the font itself. You can see Oppo A16 highlighted features: 5000 mAh long lasting battery without fast charging, 3D sleek design, AI triple camera, and HD plus eye care display. Okay, so now quickly remove its plastic cover. So you can see the font. It is in crystal black color. If we talk about the design, you can see it has a 3D sleek design. You can see shiny, metallic, and cool design. You can see. Okay guys, the design of this smartphone is looking good. You can see, no doubt it looks good. Yep, only 8.4 mm is thickness, and if we talk about the weight, it is of 190 gram. So sleek, a sleek 3D design. Okay, and if we talk about its physical overview, in top we get nothing. On this side we get the SIM tray and volume up and down key. Okay, so now quickly eject the SIM tray. So another good thing, it has triple card slot. You can insert 2 nano SIM and 1 micro SD card, which is a really good thing. And on bottom it has 3.5 mm headphone jack, primary microphone, USB type C port, and here's the main speaker. It has loud speaker, which is a really good thing. And on this side it has side mounted fingerprint with the power on off key. And on bottom it has a triple rear camera setup: 13 megapixel, 2 megapixel, and 2 megapixel. Over there you can see triple camera AI with dual LED flash, and you can see the branding of Oppo. And on front it has 8 megapixel front rear camera over there on drop notch display. Okay, so now quickly boot up and set up the device. Okay, by the time it boots up and I set up, I will give you its configuration overview. It has MediaTek Helio G35 12nm octa-core processor. It has 6.51 inches HD plus IPS LCD display. It has 64 4GB internal storage variant. It has dual nano SIM with dedicated microSD card slot support. It has triple rear camera, 13 megapixel f2.2 aperture, 2 megapixel macro, and 2 megapixel with the depth sensor. It has 8 megapixel f2.2 aperture front camera. It has 5000 mAh long lasting battery. It has Android 11 based on ColorOS 11.1, and if you talk about the security, it has side mounted fingerprint and face unlock. So here you can see I have set up the device, and this is the main screen of Oppo A16 smartphone. If we slide from top up, we get the helpful quick settings, and brightness adjustment is also available there. And if we slide from bottom, we get the app drawer. If we slide here, we get some applications. And the good thing is guys, here you can see it has eye comfort mode over there. This is a really good feature. You can see this is the eye comfort mode to keep eye comfortable all day long. Yes, this is a really good feature. All care, This is the all day comfortable for your eyes. Keep your eyes comfortable for all day. Okay. And if we go in settings, quickly check how much storage we get out of 64 GB. So here you can see 16.3 GB used out of 64 GB. Okay, now quickly go back, and if we go in about phone, so you can see the device name, baseband and color version, and the colorless version is version 11.1, and the Android version is latest. Yes, it is running on latest Android 11. And if we talk about the Android security update, it is of August 5, 2021. And you can also see the device storage here. You can see 47.7 GB available out of 64 GB, and you can see the model, SIM card status, IMEI status, regulatory and legal information all available there. And if we talk about the UI of the smartphone, guys, the UI is really running very smooth. You can see, yep, no doubt. The UI of the smartphone is running smooth. Yep, no doubt. The UI of the smartphone is running smooth. And if we talk about its camera, so here are some shots I took with Oppo A16 smartphones in different lighting condition with the different modes. Okay, so the camera of this smartphone is really good, which will give you crisp and clear photos with much more details. And now if we talk about its side mounted fingerprint and face unlock performance, let's quickly check this out. If we talk about this side mounted fingerprint, here I put the finger and it unlocks the phone. I put and it unlock. So guys, you can see the side mounted fingerprint of this smartphone is fast and responsive. You can see it is really fast and responsive. You can see I put the finger and it quickly unlocked the phone. Okay, and if we talk about its face unlock, let's check this out. I'm not seeing, I see, and it unlocked the phone. Okay, I'm not seeing now. Phone look at me. Okay, phone look at me and quickly unlock itself. So guys, both, no doubt, both the face unlock and side mounted fingerprint, both are really very fast and responsive. Here you can see. So guys, this is the unboxing of Oppo A16 smartphone. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any particular question about this device, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for latest updates.